When the heavens is split asunder, and the listens and obeys its Lord, and it must do, and when the earth is stretched forth, and has cast out all that was in it, and became empty, and listens and obeys its Lord, and it must do. O man, verily you are returning towards your Lord with your deeds and actions. Assure returning, so you will meet. Then as for him who will be given his record in his right hand, he surely will receive an easy reckoning, and will return to his family in joy. But whosoever is given his record behind his back, he will invoke his destruction, and shall enter a blazing fire, and made to taste its burning. Verily he was among his people in joy. Verily he thought that he would never come back to us. Yes, verily his Lord has been ever beholding him. So I swear by the afterglow of sunset, and by the night and whatever it gathers in its darkness, and by the moon when it is at the full. You shall certainly travel from stage to stage in this life and in the hereafter. What is the matter with them, that they believe not? And when the Quran is recited to them, they fall not prostrate. Nay, those who disbelieve belie Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and whatever he brought. And Allah knows best what they gather of good and bad deeds. So announce to them a painful torment, save those who believe and do righteous good deeds. For them is a reward that will never come to an end, means paradise.